Enable Wi-Fi Direct from the printer control panel and then print from an iPhone or iPad device directly to your HP LaserJet Pro printer. On the control panel, navigate to and open the Wi-Fi Direct status setting and then turn it on. On your iPhone or iPad device, open Settings and then tap Wi-Fi. From the list of available networks, select your printer with Direct in the name. If prompted to enter a password, swipe down on the printer control panel and then touch the Wi-Fi Direct.
Before heading ahead into the video, in case you are facing any issue with your HP printer device, get in touch with our HP printer expert.
Icon. On your iPhone or iPad, enter the Wi-Fi Direct password and then tap Join. Return to the home screen and then open the document you want to print. Tap the share icon and then Print. Touch Printer. Select your printer and then touch Print. When you're done printing, reconnect the iPhone or iPad to your wireless network.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to smash that like button and hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of our videos. And in the case face any problem, get in touch with the experts.